Welcome, love. Let's take these next 10 minutes to release tension from the lower back and invite more ease into the body. Find a comfortable seat or lie back. Rest one hand on your belly, one on your heart. Let's begin with deep, slow breaths, expanding through the belly, softening on the exhale. Let your whole body know it's safe to soften, safe to release. Complete 3 full deep belly breaths at your own pace and rhythm. Come onto your back, legs extended. Bring one knee into your chest and loop a strap or towel around your foot. You could use a belt. I'm using my guitar strap. It's okay if you don't have a yoga strap. You're going to extend that leg up toward the sky, keeping the other leg long on the ground or keeping that knee bent. Breathe into the back of your leg. Tight hamstrings often tug on the low back. Lengthening here brings relief. Stay for a few breaths. Let's gently switch sides and do the same thing on the other leg. Next, we're coming into happy baby pose. Hug both knees in and open them wide, bringing hands to your feet or shins. You can gently rock side to side, massaging the sacrum into the mat. This pose opens the hips and sacrum, giving your lower back space to release. Take a few deep breaths, letting the rocking soothe your nervous system. Let's take our time to come up into child's pose position. You can lie on one side and slowly ease yourself up, taking your time. Rolling over onto hands and knees. I'm just rocking a little bit back and forth, and then sink your hips back toward your heels. Arms can stretch forward or relax alongside your body. If you'd like more support, place a cushion or pillow under your torso. Soften your belly into the mat and allow your lower back to spread and lengthen. Breathe deeply into the lower back. And every exhale, let the tension melt away. Rest here and explore where your arms feel most comfortable, whether it's overhead, lengthening on the mat. Maybe your arms feel better alongside, down towards your hips. Perhaps your hands feel better right underneath your forehead. There's no right or wrong here. You tune into your body and find what feels best for you today. Slowly rise up. We're going to extend the legs forward. This is Life Nerve Stretch, a Kundalini exercise. Inhale, lengthening your spine tall. And then exhale as you fold forward from the hips, reaching toward your ankles or toes. The main thing is you're keeping the backs of your knees rooted on the ground. If you can, wrap your fingers around your big toes and press gently into the toenails. This stimulates the pituitary gland. Keep those backs of the knees on the mat. That's the most important thing. If you can't do that, then pull back, hold on to ankles, shins, knees, wherever you are maintaining the integrity of the position. Move dynamically with the breath. Inhale, lengthen, exhale, fold, or simply hold. This is known as the Life Nerve Stretch in Kundalini, easing the spine and awakening energy. Come into a squat with your feet a little wider than hips. Use those elbows to push the knees apart and really push forward with your chest. You can support yourself with blocks if needed. You can gently sway side to side, opening the hips and decompressing the lower spine. Breathe into the pelvis and feel the grounding connection of this pose. Then slowly lower onto your back. Hug your knees in and let them drop to one side, opening your arms into a T. You can turn your head towards the opposite way of where your knees are pointing. Take a few deep breaths here, letting your spine unwind. Switch sides when you're ready. Then return to center. Place one hand on your belly and one on your heart. Take a final deep breath of gratitude for your body, for its strength, its healing, and its release. You can stay here for as long as you like. Thank you for practicing with me today. May your lower back feel lighter and more free, and please find the extended session on my Patreon for lower back pain relief.